Hello guys, today we will know how to use Google Meet on PC or any mobile phone. If you really enjoy this video, please like and comment. Now we will start our video. First of all, we have to go on the Google Chrome and click on the Google Meet, and then you can see the interface of your PC, and you have to click on the meeting code and then put a meeting code and join meeting, and you can see that you have to ask that ready to join now, then ask to join the meeting, and you can enjoy the meeting in the Google Meet app. And now we will see how to use it in on our Android mobile. First of all, you have to click on install button, and then after login you can see the interface of your mobile phone, and then click on the join a meeting and put a meeting code or your nickname of our meeting code. Then you have to click on the join button, and then you enjoy their meeting. If you really enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.